Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is trading or investment. Before starting this video in detail, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video updates. Let's start our video. What is trading and investment? Stock trading is a buy or selling the stock for a short term of profit with a focus on share pricing. Investing is about buying stock for a long-term gain. Trading and investment are both involved seeing the profit in stock marketing, but they purchase that goal in different ways. These are the definition of stock and trading investment. What is the type of stock and trading investment? There are different types of stock and trading investment. First is scalpel, day trading, momentum trading, swing trading, positional trading. These are the major type of stock and trading investment. Next, how to make money from trading investment. There are 7 ways to make money from trading and investment. First is how to make money. Now the kind of trade you are doing. Try and avoid the headache. Never try to mind stock marketing. Have a discipline to approach for investment. Never let your emotion influence the judgment. Always have a religious goal. These are the major types of to make money from trading and stock marketing. How I do a trade and investment for a beginner. Open a trading account. So if it is seen you are starting to abuse but you have never now. Learn to read about trading and investment. Learn a crash marketing course about trading and investment. Learn to analyze the daily and up and down of trading and investment pricing. Practical trading. Start a practical trading. Next, to other way to earn and practice trading as a beginner. What is the best trading and investment company in Pakistan? Best trading investment company is the United Life Insurance Company of Pakistan Limited, Easy Life Insurance, Primary Investment Management Limited, the Price Bond List Lahore, ISA Securities, Edge Chase Global Marketing, SPI Insurance Company Limited, ACM Gold. These are the 8 best in trading and investment companies in Pakistan. Let's now about the best trading and investment company in overall world. First is Fidelity Investment. Second is TD Ameritrade. Fourth, third is Charles Satch Web. Fourth, Robinhood. Fifth is E-Trade. Sixth is Interactive Broker, and 7 is Milk Egg. These are the best trading companies. Friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please press the like button.